Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. So we are into valuation of goodwill. In valuation of goodwill, total 5 methods are there to value the goodwill. The first method was average method, simple average method and weighted average method. Both together we have done in first method, average method. Okay. And now second method comes to super profit method, very important. Now from here onwards, practical point of view I am talking. First one was simple average and super profit, and two more methods are there practical. All these three methods we are going to use the same thing. So what is needed is here super profit we need. Second method, third method and fourth method. For all these three methods we need super profit. How to calculate this super profit? There is a small pro forma that you need to remember. Before going to that, let me tell you, in our channel only by me, many subjects, many topics with lot of time and energy I have prepared lot of videos, especially for you all, whatever may be the course, it is useful. Please check out the playlist and use it and don't forget to forward. Now coming to this super profit method, what is important is that calculation of super profit. How to calculate super profit? If you know that this is very simple. In a very tiny nutshell and lucid form, I wanted to give you how to prepare this super profit. So this one, these 5 steps you need to remember. Easy way I am telling you. So how to calculate the super profit? So to get the super profit, one thing is that average profit we need. We know even in average method also, simple average or weighted average method also we have done the same thing. Average profit we have calculated. Here also we are preparing average profit first. Average profit means all the profits divided by number of years, isn't it? And if any adjustments are there, then we have to go for adjusted average profit, as we have done in the previous problems also. Okay, adjusted average profit if any adjustments are there, otherwise this is enough. After average profit, second thing is that capital employed you have to calculate. How do you get this capital employed? Simple, total assets minus current liabilities. Total assets, all assets, current assets, fixed assets, all together, all total assets minus only current liabilities. So that you will get capital employed. When you are calculating assets minus current liabilities, then you have to go for average capital employed. Sometimes in the problem they will be given you a capital employed, then this is not required. Please remember, if capital employed is given, this is not required. If capital employed is not given, we have to calculate first capital employed, total assets minus current liabilities. Then after that average capital employed also we have to calculate. How do you get average capital employed? This capital employed same amount whatever you got it, assets minus total assets minus current liability, something you got it na. So that is capital employed minus half of the current year profit. Say 5-year profits are given. Current year means last fifth year profit, half we are going to deduct it. So that we get the average capital employed. These are the 2 steps you have to remember. Okay, capital employed, average capital employed. Previous one, average profit and adjusted average profit. Average profit if you remember, adjusted average profit automatically you will get it. Capital employed also if you remember second point, then average capital employed automatically you have to do it. Third step is normal profit. How to calculate normal profit? Formula, remember. Here already you got average capital employed, that into normal rate of return. To get a normal profit, average capital employed, this one into normal rate of return, so that you get the normal profit. Once if you get the normal profit, then super profit. Super profit you have to calculate. How to calculate super profit? Adjusted average profit means this one, adjusted average profit minus normal profit. Adjusted average profit minus this one, normal profit, so that you get the super profit. Once if you get the super profit, in super profit method calculation of goodwill formula is this one. What is the formula? Super profit into number of years purchased. Ultimately what is needed, number of years purchased, it will be given always. What we need is super profit. To find out the super profit, these 4 steps you have to remember. Only 4 steps. Just by heart it, remember it. First one is average profit, adjusted average profit. Capital employed, average capital employed. Normal profit, super profit. 4 steps. How do you get this? These points you have to remember it. Nothing is there. The rest of the 3 methods, second method, third method, fourth method, 3 methods are based on this only. Understanding? Now we will work out a problem. Now this is the problem given to us. Compute the value of goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of super profit. 3 years purchase of super profit means it is super profit method. The word when you get super profit means super profit method. Super profit method formula is super profit into number of years purchased. Super profit into number of years purchased. How do you get super profit? 4 steps. Okay. Now here it is given 3 years purchase of super profit by taking last 4 years. 4 years profit is given to us. What is the information given? Capital employed. Capital employed is 10 lakh. Capital employed, this one is given. Means assets and liabilities are not required. We are not going to calculate capital employed. When we are not going to calculate capital employed and not even require this average capital employed, this is also not required right now. Okay. This is not required because direct capital employed is given. Capital employed 10 lakh. Normal rate of return 15%. Here is the normal rate of return. To get the normal profit, capital employed into normal rate of return. Normal rate of return is given to us 15%. And profit for the first year, second year, third year and fourth year. We need to calculate the goodwill as per the super profit method. Step by step I will work out. Slowly you can just observe and later you can note down. Now here, first average profit we need to calculate. Okay. Step number 1. Average profit. How do you get average profit? All the profits divided by number of years. So profits of first year is 4 lakh. Second year 3,50,000 and third year 5 lakh plus 6,50,000 divided by 4. You will get average profit. Now let us calculate and see. 4 plus 5, 9 lakh. 9 lakh plus 3,50,000 plus 6,50,000. It's 19 lakh we are getting. 19 lakh divided by 4, it is 4,75,000. Average profit, first step is over. After that capital employed is already given. So we need not to calculate the capital employed. And average capital employed also not required because total assets, current liabilities, nothing is given here. So you can take it directly capital employed only. Capital employed is already given. So second step is not required. Next third step is that normal profit. Calculation of the third step in the sense directly we are saying that second step. Second one actually it is skipping. We are skipping it because capital employed is given. Now this one is the second step. Normal profit. Normal profit is equal to average capital employed. Average capital is not required. So directly capital employed is given to us. Okay. We can take capital employed into normal rate of return. Normal rate of return is here 15%. My dear students, I am not writing the formula here because already I have written there. Please do write the formula and then go for the calculations. Okay. Steps I am decreasing because space and everything I am going to save. So normal profit 10 lakh into 15%. 10 lakh into 15%. 1,50,000. This is normal profit, you got it. Next, third step, we'll go for the super profit calculation. Third one, super profit. Short form I'm using in exam, you are not supposed to. Super profit is equal to adjusted average profit, this one only. Adjusted is not there because no adjustments are given. So directly you can take average profit. Average profit minus normal profit. Average profit is here 4,75,000 minus normal profit. Normal profit is here 1,50,000. 1,50,000 minus 4,75,000. 3,25,000. This is super profit. Once if you get super profit, calculation of goodwill is quite easy. So we'll write the formula for goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years purchased. Super profit you got it 3,25,000 into multiplied with number of years purchased. 3 years purchase of super profit, 3 years, okay, into 3. $9,75,000. 3,25,000 into 3, yeah, 9,75,000. That's all. You got the goodwill. If you understand this problem, you can work out any problem. Because you are learning this process, how to calculate the super profit. First take a screenshot or note down, then after that I'll give you recap. By the way, how do you prepare your notes and all these things? I would suggest you to go for two kinds of notes. One is rough notes and fair notes. Fair notes take white pages and neatly you write the formulas like this and write the problem and also solution, underline with pencil or red pen or any important things. Take out any kind of colors and neatly prepare it. It will be easy for you to understand and also easy for you to refer before exams. Okay, let me give you a recap. So, super profit method, what is needed is here, we need super profit. To get the super profit, first thing is that average profit. If any adjustments are there, adjusted average profit. Second one, capital employed. Capital employed, if you are calculating like assets minus total assets minus current liabilities, if you are going this process, then we'll go for average capital employed. How do you get average capital employed? Capital employed already you got it, total assets minus current liabilities, no? So capital employed minus half of the current year profit. Current year profit means this one, fourth year. 6,50,000 my half means 3,25,000. That we would have gone if we calculate capital employed. Now here capital employed is not calculated. We got it directly. So this step we have skipped. That is why I have written cross mark. Capital employed already given. Then normal profit. Normal profit means capital employed into normal rate of return. You got the normal profit. Then super profit, how do you get? Adjusted average profit or average profit minus normal profit. If you get it, then goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years purchased. The same thing we have done. First, average profit we have calculated. You got average profit 4,75,000. Capital employed we did not calculate because it is already given here. Second point, okay. Next, after that we need to calculate normal profit. For normal profit, what we have done? Average capital employed into normal rate. So you got normal profit. Then super profit. Super profit is average profit minus normal profit. Average you are expecting something, and minus normal profit. So that is, we call it as super profit. So average profit is 4,75,000. Normal profit is 1,50,000. The difference between these two is super profit. Then lastly, goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years purchased. That's it. Hope it is clear. In the coming classes, we'll work out more problems so that you'll get a good clarity. Very important, this topic. Super profit method, calculation of goodwill, very important examination point of view. Please refer many times, revise it, work out and keep it in your mind, the pro forma, then it will be easy. Okay. Stay connected. Don't forget to share these videos. Have a bright future. Good luck.